An unseen world exists, a world of cerebral palsy, a neurological disorder affecting movement and muscle tone, born from damage to the developing brain. In the realm of symptoms, developmental delays reign supreme. Children may be slow to mark milestones like rolling over, sitting or walking. Other signs may be a struggle with speech, cognitive impairments, or even seizures, vision and hearing problems. But in this world there are also warriors of treatment options, physical therapy, a knight fighting to improve motor skills and prevent muscle contractures, occupational therapy, a champion seeking to improve daily activities and independence, and speech therapy, a hero aiding in communication skills and tackling feeding and swallowing issues. Understanding cerebral palsy, its symptoms and treatment options is a step towards a better world, a world where every individual has the chance to overcome, to thrive, to live.